last words. I remember you saying something about us, nothing too much. You were scared I would forget you, but baby I will cross the world, go